Well, we're committed now. There's no turning back.
Careful. No, 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 no. Not yet, pal. Eric wants out.
Can you feel us lifting out of the water?
Yeah. We're gonna be flying at some point. Levitating.
I've done this a couple times with this pump. At one time I had it 2 full 5-gallon buckets.
Have a weird filter system.
Gasket.
Blow in the gasket.
Yeah, I mean we can get rid of our fresh water.
No, I really.
Well, we're committed now. There's no turning back.
This is the mega gust. Pretty right now. When does Eric hit phase 1? What was phase 1? Silence? Isolation?
It's silence, yeah.
Yeah, it was quietness. Phase 2 was isolation. Phase 3 was in the wind.
Not isolation, I'll be right here.
Yeah. Getting choppy. Wow, how sick is that property right there? They got their own little hill and all their little huts.
Right? It's so pretty.
That property's crazy.
That's not a property, that's a bunker.
Oh. And we're off on a great adventure. Big sail trip begins. We're off to find some new waves and new lands and test some new gear. Oh, whoa.
Ready?
We're overtaking another one. Wow, we're gonna go right into the next one. Sick one.
It looked so nuts from where I was. I couldn't see anything. Just the drop of the way. I was like, oh god.
Careful.
I'm all careful, dude.
I was sitting. I was peeing sitting down
In the front of the
in the capsule, just going.
That was a crazy
You couldn't
speed.
stand.
What was the speed?
I didn't look. We just dropped into like a monster one.
For a while?
Yeah, like sick one. Condensed a little bit smaller, but it's kind of keeping track of us. Almost looks like it just got closer to us. Oh, we go. Dude, that was so... my gloves were slipping.
Yeah.
You reckon, mate? I'm gonna put a reef in because the wind's picked up and the swell's getting big. But it's like riding swells at a speed we don't want to be riding them. Dressing the boat out, so John got all dressed and tried to pull a radical maneuver and turn us out and back straight into the wind, tons of power, and turn it back down. I'm gonna put the reef in heading downwind because the wind's so strong and squishy turning up and trying to do it. So I'm just on standby if anyone needs help in hand.
How much further? That was okay. Downwind rig. Big waves. Just slow and just inch it down.
Yeah, it worked.
Way better
Slowly
than-
but surely, better than your upwind maneuver.
That was bad. You gotta learn one way.
Okay, that's not where we want to go.
And then I was like, I gotta get it back.
We went turbo speed on that thing.
That's sketchy, dude.
Jeez.
Loud and clear and under here.
How are you guys doing over there? Is this squall hit you yet?
Which one? I'm done with the rinse cycles.
I'm so done. We've been in 32 to 35 knots for the last 30 or 40 minutes now.
Oh, nice. I know. Hope it, it's a little bit nicer with the light out, but yeah, it's a bit of a night.
Yeah, it's been a night from 4 knots to 35.
Well, hopefully it settles.
I don't know if it continues like this.
Radio. I think once we bear away with the waves behind us, might be a bit better.
Yeah, we're pretty off the wind. We're at 145 now and doing 20 knots on the waves.
I know. Kind of fun.
Yeah, it's fun. Alright, well, you guys have a good morning.
You too. Wasn't it by
Trying more boards down first.
Seems like the simplest way to get a little more.
We just have a little more?
Oh, wave! Holy white water. Monster waves. Reel them lines in.
Are you on a Deerfoot by any chance, over?
No, we're on a gunboat 48.
Okay, that makes me feel even better. Alright, you guys are moving swiftly.
We might need all hands on deck, possibly, Eric. Copy.
All hands on deck. boys are putting up the jib in the dark. Eric cooking up. Today we hooked 2 fish and lost 4 lures. No luck, no fish caught. Caught a marlin and possibly a wicked tuna fish. We'll try again tomorrow, but we've lost 5 lures this trip. So
5 lures in 2 hours.
we hooked 3 fish and lost 5 lures. So
Math doesn't add up, man.
we throw 1 overboard for bait these tricky tuner fishes in. Huh? No, it's just that thing.
Always.
That's our day 5 or 6 update. Tomorrow we may see land. It's still stormy. 5 days of like 12-foot seas and everyone pretty much not sleeping.
But not seasick.
But having a great time.
Having a hell time. Man. Come on, baby. Minus the fish. I mean, but what can you do, huh?
It's still fun when they bite at it.
What can you do?
I just want to hear the real tick. Oh, we're catching it! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh, we're catching this one! That was crazy! I thought we were nose diving. Oh, it's off! Fishing update, we lost another lure. They're monsters. Come on. Just bring that thing on the boat. Let's get it on the boat first. Oh, big yellowfish! Oh, I can't even Pirate Ivan arrived!
You made it in.
I sensed a higher coolness.
The real deckhand has come.